HR women during their free time. Imagine you're a duck, you finally scored, and this happens. If you feel bad about your life, remember people like that exist. Old man yells at cloud, young woman yells at duck. She really out there trying to stop nature. Not even Arkham Asylum could take her. She definitely didn't take her meds that day. Those poor ducks